Hello, my friends. As you know, our anti-shock absorbers are guaranteed for our years. So what is the state of it more than a year after it was loaded? Today is the day the first shock absorbers of the Cadillac CT4 arrive. Let's take a look at the car's current shock absorbance. By the way, ask the owner's experience.
Feel much better than the original one. Their own sexual rebound is a little higher than the original one.
It is more than a year old. Has the comfort and support decreased?
No.
We're gonna go test it on the road again.
레왕 그 거창한 엔도들